If the morning weather forecast is your favorite TV show, if figuring out who's mowing the greens on the 16th hole and the fairway on the 5th is more like a who's on first comedy routine, if a tree falls on a golf course overnight and you don't realize it until after the morning meeting, did it really fall? If keeping track of fleet maintenance is more like keeping track of gator keys. If balancing hours more evenly across your entire crew is like walking a tightrope suspended 10,000 feet in the air. If who, me, couldn't be, is the most common answer to who left the pro gator a muddy, sloppy mess. If the cost of accounting for costs turns your hair gray. It's on your mind, it's OnLink. Visit johndeere.com/golf for more.